Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome to this new trading education video. It's been a while since I made one of these videos, but today I was thinking, all right, well, I'm going to do my market update, of course, but can I also make a video that's useful for everybody that wants to, well, not only trade, but also this is like what we're going to be talking about. It is a little bit like if you're a more advanced trader. I'm not sure if it's well, you probably already know it, all right? If you don't know this, then it's useful for you. So what we'll be talking about is using the total 3, which I talk about quite often in my Bitcoin video as well, and the USDT dominance. To make a good decision on first of all whether you want to trade, but second of all also whether you should long or short, and basically what the trend for altcoins is. Which is extremely important, all right? And that's also something like last week, that was also one of the reasons, or Saturday the 15th, that was also one of the reasons that I expected the bearish momentum for altcoins quite a bit. So in general, it's very useful to know these things and how to read them and make some decisions based on that, all right? So not only whether altcoins or whether crypto is strong, yes or no, but it also is another tool that can actually help you understand the trend and let you pick the right times to trade and the right direction to trade, all right? So long or short. And some of you I know do not short. I mean, some religions cannot short, etc. That's fine. But then this also helps to know when you should start buying or when you should start longing. So let's get right into it. So the two things we'll take a look at are the total 3. Which is basically the altcoin market cap. It's the total market cap of the crypto world, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right, so the market cap, I mean, most of you know what that is. It's the price times the supply, basically the value of the crypto market. Even though the market cap is a bit of a scam as well. It's not real money. But the total 3 and the USDT dominance. Now the USDT dominance, if you don't know, is basically the percentage of the crypto total market cap that is in USDT. All right, so basically how many stable coins are held by institutions, retail, exchanges, etc. Excuse my nose, by the way. I'm a little bit sick today. I'm not sure why. But we're going to be using these. Now, first of all, these are inversely correlated. What you want for at least bullish market circumstances is a strong total 3 and a weak USDT dominance. All right. And what you can see right now, and that's also clue number 1, is that first of all, the total 3 is slightly bearish. And basically, the main thing I'm going to teach you how to do, or the main thing that we kind of have to talk about, also regarding what's going on right now, is that what you basically should do is do an analysis on the total 3 and the USDT dominance. And if you do that, and you can accurately figure out strong support and strong key level, so you can also just screenshot these charts. I mean, these charts have helped me a lot. And what you basically want to do is you want to line up your buys with support for the total 3 and resistance for the USDT dominance, and you want to line up your shorts, or you want to line up your sells while we are at support with the USDT dominance and resistance with the total 3. All right, but in general, this can help you a ton by just figuring out the direction of the market. I mean, you can, for example, see with the move down we had the 3rd of February, not only can you see that the structure turned more bearish because we broke down a significant support level here with the total 3, and by the way, you can see the same thing for the USDT dominance. You can see that after that spike up the 3rd of February, we had a more bullish structure here because we were consolidating down here initially. And after the 3rd of February, that turned into a consolidation right here. So not only by analyzing the structures from the total 3 and the USDT dominance, you can figure out what the direction of the market is. And since the 3rd of February, well, the market has been more bearish than bullish, and you can also incorporate the Bitcoin dominance together with that, and the Bitcoin dominance since then has also been relatively strong. So it's not been a great time for altcoins. But outside of that, and this has helped me as well, you can also zoom in and figure out what's going on. All right, so for example, if you zoom in here, you can see that after that crash, sure, on the higher time frames, the total 3 got bearish. But there were still buying opportunities as well, right? And you can even see that right now, we still have to get some confirmation that the support is going to hold. But right now we are zoomed in at support for the total 3. All right, so even when the total 3 zoomed out is bearish, you can still find out when it is the ideal time to actually sell some shorts or buy some new longs. I mean, for example, right here, once we hit this bottom support right here, and just in general, you can see historically this was a pretty strong support as well. What you could have done is buy, and from there, the altcoin market cap actually went up right here about 7%, and some altcoins performed amazingly well. And the same with the USDT dominance. I mean, after the 3rd of February, you can see that the USDT dominance right here consolidated between 4.4 and 4.7 cents. And right now, like I said, it's the ideal test because USDT dominance is at resistance and the total 3 is at support. So right now, if you assume, based on other analysis and other fundamentals, if you assume that the current structure will hold, so basically if the market is not changing, right now would be an ideal moment to go long. All right, because the USDT dominance is at resistance, the total 3 is at support. Now, I would always prefer to get a bit of confirmation first, but it's purely technically a good moment to get some exposure to the markets. And by the way, I mean, it's not only recently that this has worked. I mean, you can also see back in the days, or at least back in November and December, the USDT dominance, like every time we got up to the resistance, it was a great time to buy. Every time we got back to the bottom, it was a great time to sell. So this can help you tremendously when the market is moving sideways. Now, if you want to look this up, I will quickly show you like this. You just go to TradingView, you go to the top right here and you type in USDT-D, and then you can see the market cap USDT dominance. And if you want to find the total 3, you just type in total 3, and it's made by CryptoCap. So hopefully that helps. It's personally 2 things that I keep an eye on every single day. I think they're extremely useful. If you do have any questions about it, join the Telegram or the Discord group, and I will explain some more if you want to. But for now, that's it. All right. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.